Namaste friends, how are you? Today we are going to study chapter 18 Democracy and Equality. This chapter is for class 7. First of all, we should know the contents of this chapter. So, the main things are the meaning of democracy, definition of democracy, constitution, preamble, universal adult franchise, multi-party system, coalition government, and main provisions of right to equality. And at last, we will also know some important questions. Democracy is derived from two Greek words. These are demos and kratos. Demos means citizens and kratos means power or rule. It means rule by the people. Now some definitions of democracy. Number 1. Democracy is a form of government in which the people exercise the authority of the government. Second, democracy is a system of government in which people choose their rulers by voting for them in elections. Number 3. According to US President Abraham Lincoln, democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Constitution of India. It is a set of regulations. It is a written document. It lays down powers and functions of the government. It was ratified on 26 November 1949, but it was not implemented on the same day. It came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of this drafting committee. Now the preamble. It is an introduction to the Indian Constitution. It is also called the soul of our Constitution. It is also known as the key to understand the Indian Constitution. Universal adult franchise. Right to vote is granted for every individual of our country who is above 18 years without any discrimination of caste, color, religion, region or language. It gives us the sense of one man, one vote and one value. Multi-party system. In Indian multi-party system, the party or a combination of parties that gets the majority forms the government. Coalition government. In Indian democracy, when a single majority party cannot form the government, some political parties join hands to form government. It is known as coalition government. After understanding the concept of democracy, we must know about equality. What is equality? The situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages. You can see in this picture, when the benefit is granted for a smallest one, then the smallest one can enjoy his rights. Main provisions of right to equality. All citizens are equal before law. Discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, color, creed, place of birth, gender, these all are prohibited. Everyone is entitled to equal opportunities in all walks of life. The laws give equal protection to all. There are two ways under which the provisions of right to equality are implemented. First, many laws have been made to protect the right to equality. For example, equal opportunities in education and jobs. Second, government has launched many programs and schemes for backward classes. These schemes are reservation. Reservation is the special assistance given to weaker sections of our country to uplift them. Various measures adopted by our government, like loans, self-employment schemes, low budget housing on installments, free legal advice, widow pension, to provide education, employment and housing to all. Literacy programs like Operation Blackboard, Universal Elementary Education, Adult Education and some other educational schemes are also provided by our government like midday meal, free uniform and books, scholarships, medical facilities. Now some important questions. Who becomes a Prime Minister? Answer. The elected leader of the party or a person whom the combination of parties supports becomes the Prime Minister. Question number 2. Who performs the role of opposition? Answer. A party or combination of parties that fails to get majority of seats in the election performs the role of opposition. Question number 3. What is the main function of an opposition party? Answer. It keeps a check on the activities of the ruling party and protects the rights of the people. Question number 4. Who is called an independent candidate? Answer. A person who does not belong to a political party is called independent candidate.